Singapore's Birds Park today. So as you can see, there are no people. So, nino kayo sa nga tanan. Well, anyway, it's just weekday. So today is Wednesday. So we are maximizing our time. I booked already for a 1 to 5 schedule. So you cannot go inside here without online booking. So we are now leading our way. We're actually looking for the Philippine eagle here. So see you next. So now we are here inside in the exhibit area, which is the home to world's most comprehensive and admired collection of Asian birds, which aims to inspire the visitors to appreciate, understand, and protect our Asian winged wonders. Our lunch today at the Pizza Hut. So it's a late lunch actually. So what we have here is just pizza. Mine is Hawaiian pepperoni chicken. We have our cold drinks. So from here we proceed to another sanctuary. See you guys. Wow. Oh my god. So now we are approaching the Pelican Cove, guys. So as you see, there are already quite few numbers of people feeding the pelican. So I'm sure they have quite numbers of pelican birds inside from different species. So from here, we're going to go to the entrance gate. It's a pelican sanctuary area. So what we are going to do is we're going inside. We bought a ticket for 2 and we're going to feed some of the pelicans. So let's get inside. So we are already here, guys, and we are queuing. So this is the protocol in this pandemic time. Just the same thing, no? When you go other places, you have to observe proper distancing. What I'm going to throw dito ko sa advantage. Wow. Hey, you move a bit, Jay. Go somewhere near. Vulture. Where are you? Oh, he's there. The vulture. Oh, napagod siya. So guys, nami karon diri sa Eagle Sanctuary. So this is where the Philippine eagle can be found. So it's inside. So you see, this is the bird spray, the Philippine eagle. So atong pangitaon. So guys, naanan din oh. Wala siya si Banog. Oh. His name is Banog. So, ang iyang pangalan guys is Banog. So, I don't know why they call him Banog, pero wala siya. So guys, we found a coffee shop here. It's called African Treetop. So we want to get inside and take a look what we can buy there as a refreshment. Although we have just taken our lunch an hour ago, but since it's quite hot here outside, we want to relax for a few minutes before we proceed for another activities inside here in the park. So let's get inside, guys. Oh my God, so hot. So, after pila ka oras na mong lakaw, lunch, so, snacks na po. Kabog na, kainit kayo. And then, Magno and his blenders. So guys, we have just finished our refreshment and we just gained back our energy, and now we are outside of the coffee shop, and what I found is this beautiful and this very cool place. It looks like a feeding area of the bird, and I've noticed that it has a 2 tiers of viewing deck, and we are standing here at the 3rd level. So I guess it serves also as a mini trail, like a canopy walk. So I'm Hey guys, so nanali din here sa Ilacang Treetop Sanctuary. So wow, ang environment cool kayo. So na sila yung mga like mga small na hanging bridge. So, daghan sila og mga kuan kada na lingaw din ng mga pagtanaw-tanaw lang guys. Just something like a viewing deck area. So, mo view at the birds God nga gitagaan ni og nice environment today, because Singapore is really weekdays, mostly everyday rain. So today we enjoyed this beautiful area, beautiful place nga walay tao. So kalugar-lugar kami lang, as in only the two of us. So see you guys later. This is it. Well, you know, this is one of my greatest fear. Heights and then passing through a hanging bridge. I know this is just only a short distance, but oh my goodness, I'm so scared. Well, anyway, I'm going to try. So let's go, Jay. Cute ba ni nga monkey, oy? Hala, oy, very playful. Hala, nangihi, Jay. Nangihi. Dito ka sa likod ka. Ano. Very friendly. Padaki siya, Jay. Asa tong next stop?
Home.
Okay, let's go. So guys, this is the end of our Birds Park tour. So we started at 1 o'clock in the afternoon today until 5 o'clock. So at least we maximize, we cover our entire time inside here. So thank you, and I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye! So that's the end of our tour. Kami rang doha, guys. Init kay sinaw kayo. I don't know what happened. Ano? Di ko kasabot sa kung nawong orange. Nagsinaw. Oh my goodness. So what can you tell today about our tour? Nga kita rang doha. May laing tao. I hope nag-enjoy mo, guys. Aning nga video. So the Jurong's Birds Park. See you. Bye.